make an experiment for my daddy and me.
Yay! Hey, what are you gonna make? A lava. Can you show them the lava? We are going to use the Kids Lab Volcano making kit. Can you open it, RC?
Okay.
Okay.
No problem. Very heavy. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, whoa.
wow.
There's the volcano and some colors. The other one.
You need to put the aluminum foil inside this one. See? You tell them.
This is aluminum foil.
You have to put it inside.
Inside. Where is it?
This one.
You need to open it. I put the plastic.
You put it inside this. Push it down, push it down. Push it down, push it down. It's in the middle. Carefully, carefully.
There.
One more. Push it down. Carefully. Slowly.
There you go.
You can roll. Whoop! Put it inside.
Put the bottle.
Everything. One more. This one also. Put it inside.
Okay, the bottle.
Come on.
Okay,
Please stand up. Please stand up. Ooh. Okay, put it inside. You hold it here.
that's enough.
Some more. Alright. Gently, okay? Okay.
Whoa.
Two hands.
My face.
Two hands.
What happened here?
Mix it again. Two hands. You sure can. Look at what you're mixing. Mix it together. Oh, are you done?
What it looks like. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Okay. The volcano.
Good.
Let's open the yellow first.
Yeah. Wait. Let's open this one first. Okay. So we're gonna mix that. We're gonna mix the colors.
What is it gonna turn into?
Like this one. Color orange. Look, I see. Oh,
This is a heavy color. Whoa.
yellow, red,
The upside down it has no.
nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Candy. What color is this? Or is it?
Yeah.
Good job. If we mix this, what color will it be? Orange. Good job. Carefully.
Turning orange. Whoa. How can you believe it? Look. Orange. That's turning
No
good.
problem. Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Hey, don't touch it. I'm gonna put some more.
I'm winning.
Yeah, good job. This one, the white one. Wait, what?